Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are pouring our basement walls for a basement addition. And as you can see, it's not as easy as most people think it is when it's time to pour our concrete. We have to leave an opening so we can actually reach inside. And we have the option of either leaving this open or blocking it up and then sealing it. On this particular project, we're going to remove that I-beam on both sides, which is our temporary brace. And this area is going to be left open, so there's going to be a partial interior patio. Give it a unique look. Due to the fact that our hose is so large, we're using a smaller 3-inch hose instead of the standard 4-inch. This is a very exciting project. This is one of those projects that we were told 20 times that it's not possible. Basement King can do it, and we are not having an issue. Let's smooth out our concrete. Let's get busy.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, then please subscribe or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.